Hi, I'm Sandy Schreck, and welcome to the first part of the virtual class. And what we're going to do is create wire armature. So this is homework that needs to be done before the class. What we need to do is tape 12 wires, and this is the floral tape. You've been sent the light green, and I'm going to show you how to tape. What you want to do is start from down below, twist up, and then pull down. So that gives you a good start. And so you're essentially pulling down and twisting that wire so that you get a nice clean wrap. It goes nice and fast. Then we're just going to use the friction from your hand to be able to clean that wire up. I'm going to do that one more time. So I hold my tape on my finger. I'll start down below and to pull a little bit, twist up onto itself. Now when I come back, I've got a good anchor, and now I really almost pull straight down and wraps the wire with a nice thin coat. To finish off, I'm just going to run my finger up and down so that that gets a good seal and that it doesn't come apart. So the next thing you do is start dividing them into pairs. So I'll just put my thumbnail there and then divide them into 6 pairs of 2. And the next thing that you do is we're going to start to create the inside petal structure. So I use 3 of my fingers. I kind of hold this in this area. Use about 3 fingers to get the spacing, but I have larger hands, so it might you might need to do something a little bit bigger than your 3 fingers. But you just come to the next one, and 1, 2, 3, and you can see we're starting to form this structure. So this sheet will be emailed to everybody that has the shape of the one side, so you can kind of get this sheet will be emailed to everyone so you can kind of get the idea of the size to use. And just come in, and we're just going to finish that up. So you can see here, now it's pretty similar. And so it's mostly going to be covered up, so it doesn't have to be exact science. But from this point, so we have these 3 that are going to be this side, and these 3 that are going to go this way. Our center one, we want to take and cross over the other wires. So we have the center one here, and then we're going to take this petal, we're going to take one of those wires and bring it over here, and one of these wires here. And so you can see kind of the same thing. You can use your hands to kind of judge, for example, of how long to do it. And we're going to do again 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then these wires are going to come down. So to help you get the pattern easier, if you just set it here and then come down, twist there, come down, and you just follow the pattern, it'll be easier for you. And then all of the wires gather here. So here you can see our elongated bouquet structure, but it's an armature that's going to allow us to be able to spread the flowers out a little bit more. And you did have this done before the class. The last 3 wires will be folded in half, and then you're going to add them onto the stem to extend the handle. If you can have this all prepped before the class starts, that'll be great, and we'll be ready to rock and roll on our virtual hands-on class. I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Educates, the Wedding Series.